Okay, so there is the Disney Concert Hall. We got some buildings that they're building right here across. This actually used to be a parking structure, but look at that. That looks pretty cool, whatever it is they're building. Downtown LA is over there. And we do have the 28-70 f2 lens. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some pictures of their star right there. But I found this other place, kind of like in this direction. So we're gonna head on over here. Hey Star, what's going on?
Good.
Okay, so I found this place like in this direction, in this area. It looked pretty cool, and we're gonna start here. We do have a circular polarizer filter on the 28-70, which is gonna get rid of some of that glare from the buildings and maybe give us some deeper blue skies. But, so here, check this out. I like these steps right here. And then I like the buildings kind of in the background. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and see if we can place her somewhere over here. We're gonna place you right about there. And either we're gonna use the rail or we're gonna use this side right here. Most importantly, we need to have all those buildings in the background to fill in the background. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's see what we get. You're leaning back, but lean in a little bit more towards me because I'm lower than you. So yeah, bend at the waist towards me. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so I like this. We're gonna use these two rails to kind of center her. So Star, head on over here to the center. Cool, cool, cool. A little bit more this way, right there, not so much, not so much. One more inch right there. There we go. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna get you to stand maybe like 15 feet that direction. Right there, stop. And I'm gonna use these tiles somehow. We have red and then we have the blue. Let's see if we can get something cool. And we're actually gonna shoot this vertically. We're gonna use this tile as a center tile. So as long as your head is centered to this tile, you're good, yes. Okay, there's a bunch of cool stuff in there in that direction. We can definitely go crazy here for hours of shooting, but we're headed in this direction. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're headed over to the Disney Concert Hall and we're gonna take some pictures. Actually, Star, stop right here. Here, we're gonna take some pictures here. Run over there, give me your jacket and go for it, just anything. Ready, ready, ready? Boom, boom, boom. Almost done. And let's go. Okay, so hopefully we got something good. Oh, snap. First, what I need to do is figure out how I'm gonna frame her, because I don't want to get any of these windows, and I don't want to get any of this, but this looks really cool. Maybe I have to shoot vertically. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna separate her a little bit more from the wall, so come a little bit closer. A little bit closer, a little bit more, probably around there. Maybe facing that direction and you're like turning back to looking at me. Yes, yes. Okay, so now we're gonna get you like that on the ground, but we're actually gonna get you a little bit closer to the camera. So get a little bit closer, right about there. Now I'm gonna get a little bit low. And we're gonna shoot like this. Let's see what we get. Can you extend that leg a little bit? Yes, yes. Now what I'm gonna do is, right now I'm shooting like around 50 millimeter, but what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna photograph like a 28 and get as close as possible. Bring your foot almost towards the lens into the camera. Yeah, there you go. A little bit more that way, the way you were a second ago. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Try doing the same thing, looking away in that direction though. Yes, 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 yes. And then try leaning into the camera now, like slow, like looking at the camera now. Yes, yes, yes. And we're good, let's get out of here. Okay, so the original plan was to place her kind of like on that side and then shoot in this direction. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go Lana Del Rey style. We're gonna get her to come in here into this area with her back up against like the flower. So come in there, yeah, like that. Come in close, and we're just gonna shoot in kind of tight, real tight, kind of like that. Yeah, and then eyes like you're looking out in that direction. Yes, let's try that. And we're good, let's go. Okay, so we have this wall right here, but this time I'm actually gonna place her up against the wall, and no stairs, but something like this. Perfect, perfect, I dig that. And we're gonna get the camera really close to this wall right here. Okay, there we go. And we're doing it, it's happening. Eyes closed, chin up, yes. We're gonna go vertically right here because we're so close. Extend, curve your back, but now like kind of looking back in that direction. Yes. Perfect. Now let's do some where you're actually facing the wall somehow. If there's anything we could do, if possible. Is it a wig?
Yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Shut
you
up.
really think I was gonna do my hair and makeup in under an hour? I don't think so.
No. I mean, I don't know. I don't know.
There's a wig.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
I have a lot of different wigs, so.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, let me fix it just a little bit more.
I know I was gonna bring my short black one, but I'm like, oh, I'll do the long one today.
No, do whatever you want to have fun with. So right now we're at 50 millimeter, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get close and shoot at 28. So this is 28 right here. Now I'm gonna get further back and zoom in at 70 millimeter. I love the 70 millimeter look with this 2.0 lens. Super awesome. Now we're gonna do full body. Yes, now we're doing full body. And we're gonna do full body at 70 millimeter. Okay, cool. And I think we're good, so let's just keep moving. That's the name of the game, because we could shoot here all day. These are gonna be like hotel rooms, or I don't know, apartments, I don't know. But anyhow, the architecture is really cool. They look really nice, these buildings. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and use this one to frame the shot, and we're gonna have Star stand right here on this little sliver of light, and we're gonna shoot kind of upward. So I'm gonna be pretty low, so whatever pose you do, I want you to kind of bend in like at the waist towards me, okay? So we are gonna shoot vertically, and let's see if we get something cool. Let's have you more facing this direction, your body in that direction where the light is coming from, yeah. And we're almost done, we're good. Okay, so right now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna cross, but not all the way. We're gonna stop right here and go in this direction. Follow me. And we're gonna take some pictures right about here. You're gonna be in the center, kind of leaning up against that rail. Just be careful, okay? Because, oh look, they're doing a photo shoot down there. That's pretty dope. That's where we saw the bikers earlier.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay. We're actually gonna shoot vertically. And right now we are at 28 millimeters, and I think we're gonna stick to 28 millimeters. I'm gonna get a little bit lower. I'm gonna move further back and try and zoom in. Maybe about here. and kind of like through here, something. Let's try, if possible, cool. Okay, I like that. Give me a second. Why are you laughing? Okay, so I like this, but what I'm going to do is walk a little further back, and then I'm gonna zoom in all the way to 70 millimeters, because I'm too close. Okay, so now I'm at 70 millimeters at 2.0. Oh, hold it. I'm just gonna get really close and see if I can do something really, really close from here, and maybe aim it like this. There we go. Let's go. We're gonna place Star right about here. As you can see, she changed her outfit. And then we have sunlight coming from over here, but we also have sunlight coming from over here. So we're gonna use this bounce light to light up her face as she kind of looks in this direction. As you can see, there is some light kind of hitting her face. And then we're gonna stand around here and get some sun flare or some sunlight hitting the lens directly. And hopefully we get something cool. Like a warm glow or something. But yeah, we're still shooting at 2.0, 28 millimeter, 50 millimeter, whatever, all that good stuff. Now let's do facing in that direction and looking back at me. Yeah, lean in more of a lean. Yes. No, it's not doing it. Oh, I like that. It's gotta be full body. Okay, there it is. And we're good. Let's get out of here. Okay, so we have this art piece right here, and it's a little dark, but we're just gonna place her here and take some fun pictures and see if we get something cool. Look at this place, all these buildings right here. And you know what, I think we're probably gonna be finishing it off soon. And what I'm thinking about doing for this area, I don't know, but I did bring the 16 to 35 EF. Let's switch over to 16 to 35 for a sec. Okay, so what we're trying to get are these buildings here in the background. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna place her probably like right about here. And so we're lucky right now because as you can see, there's sunlight hitting her even though the sun's over there. The sun is reflecting off that building. So we're gonna use that light, and we probably have like 5 minutes with that light, maybe even less. And we're gonna shoot right here, right now, and see if we get something. Cool.
Yay!
So,
Nice compliment.
what's up, guys? What's going on? Okay, so right about here, come on a little bit. Right there, that's the angle. Okay, ready? Hold it. Fantastic. The light's coming from over there. Yeah, there you go. Almost done. Great. You guys are good? Let's do the one on the ground, kind of sitting down in this direction. Cool. Okay, we're good. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. Cool. Well, let me get your Instagram.
Yeah,
And let me get your Instagram right now.
Yeah, really.
Whose car is that?
That's mine.
Okay, cool, bro. Thanks for sharing the car.
No, I appreciate it.
Okay, guys, have a good one.